How long do I have to sue somebody? Is there a limitation? Can I wait forever? Let's find out on Attorney 911. There are deadlines and statutes of limitations depending on the kind of case you have. For example, in a car wreck case in Texas specifically, you have 2 years from the date of the injury to file a lawsuit. Now, you can bring your claim during that time, but to actually file a lawsuit in the district court, you have 2 years. If you don't file it within those 2 years, it may be barred. And so it's super, super important that you talk to an attorney. If you're getting up to that 2-year point, even 6 months ahead of that point, you really want to talk to an attorney if your case hasn't been resolved, because you don't want it to be barred and you get nothing. On a breach of contract case in Texas, you have 4 years. So, you have a contractor come out, they're supposed to do some work, they screw it up, you don't notice it, then 3 years later you notice it. Well, you still have a year, even though they did it 3 years ago, you still have another year to file a breach of contract claim against them. There's other DTPA claims and those kind of things. But specifically for breach of contract, you have 4 years. Or business to business, someone screws over another business, they have, you have 4 years to sue for that. Other states have other statutes. I know California is somewhat different. New York's different. So the best thing to do is just check the particular state's statutes if you have a question on that, or just contact us at Attorney911. We'll try to help you. If we can't, we'll find someone who can.
You just learned something new. Attorney911, the podcast, with attorney Ralph Manginello. We hope you found today's conversation insightful and helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to the show so you'll never miss an episode, and share it with family and friends who might benefit from the things we talk about. A new podcast launches every week. That means you get more legal tips, real-life cases, and expert advice. This is Attorney911, the podcast.